Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points PQ on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. Give the justification of the construction. So the very first thing is to draw a circle of 3 cm radius. And the next thing is to draw a tangent draw a line which is a diameter of the circle as well. So with O as the center, right, we need to mark two arcs which are 7 cm apart from O, that is, and in total 14 cm apart from each other. So this would be 7 cm and this would be 7 cm. This two lengths. I hope there's no confusion. So this is your center. Now we have to draw tangents from P and Q. So all we have to do is bisect PQ, PO and OQ with those as your centers, with this and this M and M dash as your centers. Draw circles, a better circle than this. The point wherein this set of circles meet, right, over here, this would be your tangent, and at the other end this would be your tangent. And this is the required diagram. So let's have a look at it practically. The first thing is to draw a circle of radius 3 cm. So always try to verify whatever you're doing. It'll just take a second. So we have the required circle. Now we have to draw a extended version of the diameter so that you have 7 cm at both ends, measured from the center. Since it was not that big, I used end of it an architecture scale to draw a very long line. So with O as the center and with the help of the compass, which now measures 7 cm, cut the line at both ends. So those are your P and Q. All this is very simple, is it not? That would be P and say that would be your Q. Now we have to bisect OP and OQ. So you guys know how to bisect, I hope so. It's quite simple. Take whichever the 2 points are, whichever the line we need to bisect. So we need to cut 2 arcs from both those points. Where those arcs meet, if you join them, it will give us a perpendicular bisector. The logic comes from circles. The logic is that both the chords share the same circle and both are of same length. The radius is same of both the circles. So all that logic, again, please watch the basics. This would make sense. So we have the first bisector. That would be your center. And that would be your radius. MO would be your radius. And draw your second circle. So this would give us the two reference point for the entire construction. Now on to the second bisector. That would be the midpoint of OQ or OP. So now on to drawing the circle. So mark the points that is required. Right? It's always, you should be very clear with what are the required points and then only move across drawing a line. So this is only to highlight for you guys. Please don't do this in your exam. You can't use color pencils. And now we just have to draw the line. That's it. So that will give you the first set of tangential line. See, I'm using around 2 to 3 pencils. One with the compass, another to draw the lines and to highlight and everything. So I'm kind of switching between them so that I keep the pencil sharp. If it's not sharp, then sharpen it, then start doing the work again. Actually, even this is a bit fat than what I generally use. It should be a bit sharper. Yes, now on to the second set of tangential line. As you can see, we have the second set. So to be frank, I don't know which is P and Q, what we started with, which side is P and which side is Q. I'm confused. Anyways, that is your diagram. This is for your reference. I'm measuring it. It's around 6.1 and 6.2 centimeter approximately. Okay, steps of construction is the same thing, just that we use different variables. Nothing different. Construct a circle of 3 centimeter and extend the diameter, cutting 7 centimeter from the center. Let point P, let's consider point P on the outer circle. So this would be P, that would be O, and that would be Q. Join OP and bisect it, which we already done. Right? We have bisected it, and that would be point M. M is the midpoint. Taking M as the center and MO as the radius, draw a circle. Let it intersect the given circle at points Q dash and R dash. Q dash and R dash. Since we can't use Q, I have taken Q dash. Join PQ dash and PR dash. Similarly, consider point Q on the other side of the circle. Follow step 3, 4 and 5. And PQ, PR dash, PQ dash, PR dash, QQ dash, QQ double dash, and we have QR double dash are the required 4 tangents. So that is your steps of construction, right? And now on to justifying this. So justification is also similar. So if you are doing from the first problem and including the basics. So you know that this is very similar pattern in all the questions. So you learn one properly, everything else follows the same. So here we need to join, say, OR and angle P. Just let me. Yeah, now it's correct. OR dash actually. So we have P, R dash and O is an angle in the semicircle, and therefore angle P, R dash and O will be equal to 90 degree. So basically this is 90 degree because this is part of a semicircle, right? PO is your radius of circle 2, diameter of circle 2, and so we know that diameter subtends an angle of 90 degree with the circle. This makes PR dash being perpendicular to R dash O. Since PR dash, sorry, not PR dash, since OR dash is the radius of the given circle 1, right, this circle, then PR dash has to be a tangent to the circle. Similarly, PQ dash, QQ double dash, QR double dash are also tangents to the circle. So this would be your justification, right? Not too different, just that we have more things over here. That's it. So this is your thinking, how to go about doing a question, then do the construction, then see to that you write the steps of construction by labeling the diagram. So this too has to match. Justification, try to keep it simple. This is as per the textbook standard, so you can write to this extent. Don't write more, that won't help you guys, just waste your time. Anyways, this diagram is not required for your exam. Yeah. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification and calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python, we'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. They are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.